you've hit the nature boy, Ric Flair, hanging out with a few of my pals, having a few cocktails. Now listen here, Hulkster. On Sunday night at WrestleMania 7, we'll be one-on-one for the WWE Championship. Now listen here, Hulkster. I've got so many moves for you. I've got so much shit for you, Hulkster. There's no way that the Nature Boy will not be taking home the WWE Championship. Woo! Hulkster, there's one thing I'm gonna say for you. You got hard, Hulkster, but you'll never beat the Nature Boy. Woo! Woo! Woo!